Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Galaxy Watch 6 Classic Modern Fit Band. So this band is for the 47mm model, as you can see here, and on the sides nothing is mentioned, a very simple boxing, and on the back you can see here it is mentioned that 2399 rupees, but I got it for around 1400 rupees, 1000 rupees was discount. So why wait, my friends, let's open this up and check it out. So this is the packaging. How to pull this. So we also get one information tool here. So how to set up your band. So there is the process. Here's how to use it, how to open it, and you have to do it on your own. You don't need to go to basically to a watchsmith to do this. So as you can see here is my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and this is the silver model, and you have already seen the video about this. And this is the Samsung band, the eco-friendly leather band that I'm using. So we will open this here. We get the band here in this way. This is the band, and the connectors, these are the connectors, my friend. And here is some extra if you have a thicker wrist. I have a very small wrist, so I think this will do. And about the tool that was shown, this is the tool here. You can see this is the tool, how to install it, and everything is mentioned here. This will help how to do it. So first of all, I'll check how it is. So this is the band, as you can see, and it is totally coated with yes, it is covered so as it will not scratch, and they have not connected the connecting tool. You can see here the connecting tool is already connected, available here. This is the connecting tool, and let's connect it directly and we'll see. So this is the old type, so we don't have the press tool, so you have to like pull it and push it up. It's a bit tight, yes, either you can push it up or push it down. So now what we need to do is this buckle opens in this way, I suppose. Yes, it opens in this way, so it will go in this way. So first of all, we'll connect this side, then we'll go for that side. Okay, so it goes in this way. Okay, both sides. Okay. It fits snugly, totally. Yes, as you can see, yes, it fits totally. This is fitting totally with fixed here, as you can see here. There is very flat to it, so it is a very good thing. So it fixes perfectly. I'm pulling it really hard. It's not removing. Very good. And we'll do the same on this side also. Just we will do it from. It will not come from top to bottom like this. It will go from below to up. As you can see, this is the material that it is stopping it. Let me show you. Here you can see this is the material that is stopping it. So it is like this. So as you can see, this it is like this. So you have to do it in this way. So from below to top, and while going up, you need to pull the tabs. So it is a bit tricky. Let me skip this part. It is turning into very tough for me. So let me skip this part of connecting this side. So it was quite easy. I was thinking that it will be tough, but it is quite easy. Just you need what is the trick is that Once you connect one side, you need to press it like this and keep it pressing and do the second one. And also I haven't removed the protective film, that's why it was getting tough. So first of all, you need to remove this protective films, because if you don't do it, so it will be really hard to install it, as we saw now. So you need to remove one side and also with the other side. Just okay, you need to pull this. So this is the, it's getting tough. Yes, we got it out. As you can see, so it is a bit tough. Yes, I am supposed to know. Yes, see, you have removed it. Now this is the pant. So the thing is that it is big. It is a bit big for me, because as you can see here, it's coming totally on the rounds. So I have to take out few steps. So how we will do it, let's check that out. So here you can see there are small arrows. You can see here, these are the arrows. So you need to keep this arrow facing this side, like this arrow should face this side. And if you are doing on this side, then it will have to be done in this way. So for example, you will count how many clips are here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 and 18. So you have to remove one from this side, one from this side. So first what we'll do, we will open this up. So let me skip this part. So this tool I have removed it totally outside. As you can see, this is an adjusting table, so you can take it up and take it down like this. So what we will do, we will remove one from this side, one from that side. So first of all, we will put it in this way, and here you can see this pin should connect here, and it should push it out so that the clip will remove. So to do that, we need to first align it. So to align it, we will be taking this up again. Okay, you can do it in this way or you can do it this way. So both way, but the thing is that this arrow should be facing that side. Okay, so first of all, we will do this one. So I think I have to take more up. Okay, I think this is aligned now. Yes, we'll go ahead and push it out. See, so I'm doing it. Let me zoom this part. As you can see here, now I am doing it just very carefully. I'm going inside, as you can see here. See, now it is totally connected here. So the pin will move out from that gap. As it is mentioned here, the pin will move out from that gap. So let's check that out, that yes, you can see here, the pin will go out from this gap. So we will be pushing this pin out. So let's do this very slowly, gently, to push it out. Okay, let's see, let's hope the pin is coming out. Yes, you can see the pin is coming out. Yes, the pin is coming out here. Can you see here? So as they told, we have to be very careful about it and very slow about it. So see, it is totally removed now. Now I will take this anti-clockwise and slowly pull this out and pull the pin out. See, this is the pin that is removed here. So we will remove this pin out. Once you remove this pin out, this will drop. Okay, so as you can see here, I remove this pin. Carefully keep this pin here. So there are some extra pins here. Once you are done, see, this is coming out. So this is the part which we cannot remove, because these are the fixed one. Okay, so only the ones we can remove are with this arrows. So we want to remove like one out, so this will be the one that I will remove, and one from this side and one from this side. Okay, so we will go ahead and remove the second one. Just remember to not to lose these pins. Okay, so this in this way we can go. Let me skip this part, my friends, because I have to do a lot of removing and installing, and I'll show you the part when I put the pin back in. So as you can see here, friends, I have already removed a lot of parts here. As you can see, these are the pieces that I've removed from this side, and these are the pins that I've removed, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Like I've removed 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts here, so 6 pins have been removed. Now what we will do now, we will connect this with the main, which doesn't have the removing thing. So I have installed it in this way because it is easier to do it, because it is easier with the whole thing also, but it got very easy because this has a small part to it, and it is easy to connect these all connectors. So the good thing is that this stays fixed, and this becomes 90-degree also. If your hand is small also, this will fit perfectly to you. So as to know the lock, you keep this on the right side, so the lock should be in this way. So in that way we will check this out, and we will connect this. So basically when we do the lock in this way, so in this way it locks. So you can see here, so this goes to your this side of the arm, and this goes to your back side of the arm. So in this way we will connect it, because the lock is in this way, or else it won't be easier for you to do the locking mechanism and all. So I think I have to increase one more here, because it will become very tight here. I think I have to increase one more here. Let's try just once, and then we'll think about it. I did this video just to show you how to connect it. So let me do this. So here first you will align this in this way. I used this so as to not to scratch my watch, so I used my iPad as an holder to it. So this way I kept this, and now to check it before doing the final locking and everything. So you can see in this way it locks. So what happens, so here you can see you have to, like, let me zoom this part. You have to put this together in this way. Okay, and as mentioned, the pin should be removed in this way and inserted in this way. So you have to take this pin out. Here you can see the pin, one side is flat bottomed, and the other side of the pin, see, the other side has a wide mouth to it. You can see this is the wide one, and this is the bottom one. So this bottom one goes in this way, because this helps to push out the pin, and this sticks like an open mouth, and it becomes tight for the locking mechanism. So we can also push it from this side, but it's better to do from the way we removed it. So now, as you can see here, this is the pin area where we will be inserting the pin. So this is the pin, as I told you, the bottom side. This is the bottom side, and this is the top side. So we will just push it here in this way. So as you can see, this has gone here. To lock it down, you have to take this and just slowly push it on top of here. So as you can see, it has locked. So you will push it the last push here, so it will totally lock it up. Yes, it is done. So I'm not locking it totally, because I need to check whether it is fitting to me or not. We will do the same to the other side. So as you can see here, I have fit one side. So we will do the other side now, this side one. So just the same thing, you need to like align it perfectly together in this way. And as mentioned you earlier, the arrows, let me zoom this part, it will be easier for you. So as the arrows mentioned here, so it goes out from the way, so we will push it in the same way, because that is mentioned here also. You can see it is mentioned here also, the same way it will be inserted. So let me align it perfectly. Yes, it is aligned now. What is the arrow? Yes, that is the arrow. I will take one pin here. You will see the bottom side of the pin. Yes, this is the bottom side of the pin. We'll push it in this way. So it went very smoothly. Just I will put a press to it. I have to give it a slight press to it. Yes, it is done. So as you can see now, the watch band is fixed perfectly. I am pulling it. You can see it is not removing. Now it's snugly fit. Yes, it got a bit tight, but as it is mentioned that this watch should go tight, so you can use it in this way. If you feel that this is the not perfect fit and here it doesn't comes to the center of your arm, you can increase on one side, and it's better to increase to the side where this goes, because that helps to maintain it. It became a bit tight to me, but it's good for me. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for the Spigen Glass Galaxy Watch 6 band, classic band. There is another part that which comes on the tip, that is called the ring, and that I didn't bought it because I think that will damage this area, or there will be dust particles accumulating inside the outside. This is good. It feels really nice and classic look, and if you put a classic always on display, then it will be good for you. So that's all, friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe, my friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.